Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we'll be removing and reinstalling an outside door handle in a 2000 Nissan Pathfinder. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, we'll take this little cover out. I'm going to use a small straight screwdriver, pry under here, pull that cover off, and then over here, this is the cover right here. Use the same screwdriver and pry this little cover off. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this Phillips head screw out. Take that screw out. We'll take this screw out. The same Phillips head screwdriver. There's another screw under here where the window switch is. So you're going to grab with your fingers, pull up underneath like that. You could also use a trim tool under here. And the screw's right there. Before I take that screw out, I'm going to disconnect the window switch. There's a little button right here. Pop this switch. Disconnect that electrical connector. And I'll use my Phillips head screwdriver. Take this last screw out. Pull that out. Okay. So we're going to take this trim piece off. I'll use a small screwdriver in here. Pry under here, and then up under here, some clips. Hold this on and pull that out. There's some clips right there that hold this on, and there's a clip right there, but that one is broken on this vehicle. So you want to pry this out this way and then slide it. Now I'm going to use some trim tools and get underneath here and pop the clips off. We sell these trim tools at 1aauto.com. So just get underneath here, just pop it. We have to pull some of this trim off. Now I can cut to here. Oh. Ready? And that will slide right off. And that pulls that out. Slide this over there. All right, we're gonna take this vapor barrier off. You can take a little razor blade and cut some of this, or you can pull it off slowly. That works good. Or you can just pull it slowly like that, too. Try not to rip it. To pull the inside handle out, you're going to take the handle and push it towards the outside of the door, and then you can pull it out. You can pull this insulation off. To get these rods off, you're going to turn this to the side a little bit and This should pop up. For this lock one, there's a little tab on the inside here. You can get it with your finger and move it. You're going to pull it forward and then turn this and then pull the rod up. That will release that rod. To get the bottom rod, you just twist it and pull that one out. To get this latch off, we have 3 Phillips head screws. Take these screws out with a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. Pull those screws out. Pull this latch towards the inside of the car. There's a connector right here. I'm going to disconnect that electrical connector. Just push on this tab and pull it out. I'm going to use a straight head screwdriver. Just like that. And we can pull our latch system out. All right, so when we pulled this latch out, there was a rod that was going down there from the outside door handle. So you want to keep in mind when the latch came out, it dropped down, and that pulled that rod off. There's the rod right there. We'll pull these 2 rubber grommets out. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver and get underneath here. Pull that out. Do the same with this one. Now I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet and get these 10mm nuts out. Once I break it free, I can use just a socket. Pull that one out. And get the top one. Now we'll take the outside handle off, just like this. And you have to maneuver the rod a little bit. So if you twist it to the left, that makes it easier to pull the rod out. All right, to slide the handle back in, go like that. Now I'll reinstall the nuts. I'll put the nut in the socket and get it started. I'll put the other one in. Being careful not to drop the nut. Now snug them down with the ratchet. Then we'll put these rubber grommets back in, just line it up and push. Same with this one. Line it up and push. Okay, so we're going to reinstall this door latch. Remember with the outside door handle, there's that rod that goes down and it goes into this lever right here. So we're gonna keep in mind when we put it in, slide that up. So we'll slide this on. Grab that rod. Okay, I was able to get that in on the inside. And while I'm holding it from the inside, the following, I'm going to insert one of my screws. Get that started. Now I'm going to install the other screws. Once they're all started, then we'll tighten them down. And we'll snug those up. Okay, so we're going to reinstall the inside handle. We're going to install this curved rod first. This goes in the back side here. And then slide it like that. Then we're going to install the other rod. We're going to turn the handle a little bit towards the outside. With the switch in the lock position, we can push and push down so that it locks in, and then you turn it, and that'll be all locked in place. And then we can put this on after, but to get this in, you're going to line these lock tabs up and push, and then push it towards the inside of the vehicle. Just like that. Then we can take this foam insulation and stick that around. We're going to connect the electrical connector right here. Just push it on the latch, just like that. Now we're going to test the latch before we put it all back together. Take a screwdriver, just lock the latch, and then test the inside handle. That works. If it didn't work, make sure your child safety lock isn't on, because that will not work. Make sure the door is unlocked. We'll check the lock, make sure the lock works, and we'll also check the outside handle. And that works. So we're good to put the door panel back on. All right, now we're going to reinstall our vapor barrier. Just get this all lined up. Some of it's stuck together. Just pull it apart. This all lined up here. Some of these push clips stayed in the door when we pulled the door panel off. I'm going to use this push clip removal tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. You're going to slide in the tool all the way in and then pull up just like that. Do it right here. Just squeeze it. and they pull right out. All right, so we're going to put these push clips back in to the door panel. Just push it in and slide it over. Right there. Then we're going to fish our wiring harness through. You can slide the top part of the door panel in first. Line the clips up. Once the push pins are lined up, just hit them down. Just like that. Now we'll reinstall this screw here. Snug that down and reinstall the screw right here. We can reinstall the screw right here. And snug it up. Then we're going to install this trim piece. Remember, our clip is broken right here, so you slide this on. And push it on like that. So we'll install this trim piece. We're going to connect the connector for the window switch. Lock it in. We'll line this up, push it straight down. This trim piece goes right here. This little slot goes up. Push that on. And then this little one goes in here. This slot goes towards the outside of the vehicle. Just like that. And push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.